Hey, what's up, Glam Fam? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today's look is actually going to be a new series. It's the start of a new series, actually. So I'm calling a new series called Instagram Inspirations, and it's basically where I take inspiration from a look from an artist who's already on Instagram. Now, I will not post this Instagrammer in my YouTube channel, but if you'd like to see that, you can go to my own Instagram, and then you can see it that way. Yes, so this is a dramatic look, dramatic glam. I love it. It has some pinks, magentas, purples, some greens, some orange, gold, glitter, everything that I love. So I really like this look. I don't have a name for it yet, but I'll come up with something. Just know it's part of my new series. Yeah, go ahead, take a look at that. I also feature some new lip products, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Yes, support, support, support. Let's get started. Hey fam, what's up? Let's go ahead and jump into this look. We're starting out with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're gonna go for that hot highlighter pink. Super cute. I don't think we've used this before. Anyway, yes, this is our first color for our eyeshadow build, and we're basically just gonna apply this to the top part of our eyelids, making sure not to go too far to the bottom because we're actually gonna put a different color there. So with this color, it's really easy to get a nice super saturated base. So once you got that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch, and we're gonna go for that like magenta type purple, and this color we're actually gonna put inside our crease, right? We're gonna blend that hot pink into this like magenta purple, but just make sure for the time being that you just pack on that purple. Now that we have that magenta purple going on, we're actually going to deepen our crease by using a dark purple. And this time we're only going to, like, I guess on top of the eyeball, like in your crease, literally. And that's where we're going to add that dark purple. That way it looks like a nice gradient between all of our colors. So now that we have our preliminary base, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease with our white concealer. Yes, go ahead and pack on some of that product, get it to the bottom half of your lid. Then you're going to go and look up, and wherever you mess up your eyeliner, wherever you mess up your eyeshadow, that's where you're going to go ahead and cut your crease. For some reason, I'm obsessed with this new color, this baby poop green. So for this time, we're going to start the inner corners of our crease with that baby poop green. This color is really easy to get on to your eye. So just make sure you have a really nice intense color before you start moving on to the next one. Moving on to our next color, we are going for that nice peachy orange. It's kind of like a salmon orange-ish, I guess. I don't know, Mandarin. So yes, this is our second color, and this time you're gonna go ahead and start blending between the baby poop green and that orange, making sure not to go too far above where that crease is cut, because you don't want this to mix with the purple. You kind of just want to have like very distinct color sections. So now we're coming to like the end of our eyeshadow build. We're actually going to start fading out that cut crease. It's kind of like a half cut crease. So again, you're going to go ahead and start with that highlighter hot pink. You're going to put that towards the end. Make sure you have that on really nice saturated. You want to go ahead and start blending that with that like salmon orange. And then we're actually going to move in back into that magenta purple. We're going to add that in, blend that out, and then we're going to go back into that super dark purple. For now, let's go back to that magenta purple. So you're adding this and you're blending it, making sure that it matches the colors that we already have like in the background. Like I said, we're finishing this look with that dark purple because you want this to blend into a nice half cut crease. So make sure you add that really saturated dark purple. That way you don't see that cut crease line anymore. So, yes. So we're going to do something that we've never done before on this channel, and we're actually going to take some of that gold glitter by Atlas, and here we're just adding like little adhesive dots because we're going to add actual like colored glitter there, but I kind of wanted to use this gold, that way, I don't know, it could stand out. So just go ahead and make like maybe 4 or 5 dots that follow the shape of your eye with that glitter. Now we're basically taking all the colors that we already have on our eyes, that pink, that kind of yellowish, greenish color, and here, like I said, we use that gold glitter for like an adhesive. So now you're just going to add that loose glitter on top of where we had that glitter liner before. Usually I don't show me doing my eyeliner, but this time I just went ahead with that gold glitter just to get like a sticky base, and then I went in with all those mixed glitters, and then I just made that liner really stand out. So this is where I'm at so far with my look. I really think this is really nice. I really like how that gold really complements everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, add my lashes, finish my eyeliner, and I will be back with you guys in a second. Okay, and we're back. Look at this. Isn't this like amazing? Like, I really love how this is coming out so far. So we're gonna go ahead and finish our look, starting with our pencil liner, and we're just gonna go ahead and add this to our waterline. This way we can have like that dramatic look. You know, I love black liner on the bottom. It's amazing. So now we're adding our highlight. This is our Kiss Professionals shimmer palette. It's kind of like a silver-ish pink. And again, we're just going to add it to the inner tear ducts. We're going to add a little bit to our nose, and we're going to add a little bit to our brow bone before we start with our inner feline wing. Super sexy, super sexy. So now that our face is done, we're going to go ahead and move to our lips. This is a Hot Cocoa lip liner by Nabi, and I'm just doing this to make my lips look a little bit more full before I go in with my NYX Duo Chromatic Tone. Super cute. This is like a natural pinkish, greenish, goldish type look. I know it doesn't sound good, but it was super cute. And then we went in with a gold metallic liquid lipstick. That way it can just like really shine. So this is my finished look. I really love this look. Go ahead, check that out. What do y'all think about it? Like, you guys need to rock this, and when you do, tag me in it, okay? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.